Ganyan, pag nagbakod, tuno yan, yung silbidon. Mga unta guys, fried rice niya. Bahaw ba? Ang suda na mo gabi ba na hurot. Pansit. Pansit niya sabaw-sabaw.
The next stage, the sand trout. Gray, diamond-like creatures without eyes or heads. But their strength lies in unity. They link their bodies together and create giant barriers beneath the sand.
Yan nga, unta niya guys.
To stop water.
Inay sa dem tibiyib.
Reservoir, water, sand, and the
Buang lagi ni nga iring. Uy!
mix. And a reaction begins. There, inside, a monstrous cocktail matures. The pre-spice mass. It expands. It builds pressure. It waits for its moment. And that moment arrives. The spice blow. Pressure ruptures the sand layer. Billions of tons of spice are hurled to the surface. This is the single most important event in the economy of the universe. But the price of this explosion, the death of thousands of sand trout. The survivors gather together. They form a cyst, a time capsule. Inside, the future worm sleeps for nearly 6 years.
Hawa ba? Hawa.
And then,
Ulit na ko.
awakening occurs. The little maker is born. Just a few meters long. It is weak. It hides. And every single day is a battle for survival. Cannibalism among worms is a common thing. And here he is, Shai Hulud, ancient as the desert itself, 400 meters long, a steel-rimmed maw capable of swallowing a harvester whole.
Mahal ka guys.
Everything is interconnected. Every grain of spice, every explosion, every worm, they are links in a single chain. An ecosystem where death gives birth to life. And the sand.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a little carnivores dinosaur hunt. If you all saw our last video on this game, you'll know by now that we got the T-Rex. As you can see, we got one right here. That's a Ceratosaurus, but then right here we got another T-Rex. You know, right here we got a Ceratosaurus, but then again, we've got another T-Rex. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last time we played this game, we caught 3 total T-Rex, and we had a good time, you know what I'm saying? But today, I thought we caught every dinosaur in the game. No, we didn't. There are still 2 more dinos because of the DLC that we need to catch. By the way, if this is your first time watching us play this game, go ahead and throw down for me the subscribe button. But also, let me show you what we've caught already. We got the Ceratosaurus here. Of course, we got the Triceratops looking beautiful. We got the Stegosaurus and then the massive Ankylosaurus over here. And then, of course, like I said, we've got the T-Rex so far. But in today's video, there is one more big dinosaur that we have to catch. And that includes something literally on the first map, by the way.
Guys, ako tubig yun din. Sa kwarto.
10,000 trophies is what we need.
Tubig. Sa kwarto.
We've got it, and as you guys can
Sa kwarto.
located on that map, which is terrifying, by the way. But also on the first map here, we got Delphos Hills, which, like I said, is the first map that you get, and he is also
Wala, di ka nag-inom?
going to do today